Jiun. In this video, I'm going to show you a backstitch alternative. Sometimes, at this area where the backstitches are, we have a bit of bulk when we press open the seam. To avoid this, place the needle at 2 to 3 mm from the edge, set the stitch length at 1, and sew 5 to 6 tiny stitches. Let the needle stay down on the fabric. Adjust the stitch length back to the normal value 2.5 and continue with the sewing. Stop at 7 mm from the edge, set the stitch length back to 1 and sew until the end. So here we have replaced the back stitching with some tiny stitches, and this method is actually being used in Couture sewing. As you can see, it is as secure as the back stitching. Last but not least, give every stitching a good press, especially before you press open the seam. This will give your project a professional look. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.